Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Razer Ornata V3 X gaming keyboard. This keyboard is designed for both work and play, offering a comfortable experience. It features low-profile keys and silent membrane switches, perfect for those who prefer a quieter typing and gaming environment. The included ergonomic wrist rest provides excellent support, reducing strain over long periods. Plus, its durable, spill-resistant build ensures longevity, making it a reliable choice for many users. When it comes to gaming, the Ornata V3 X uses silent membrane switches, providing a soft and cushioned feel. While it's a very good option for casual gaming, its latency might not be responsive enough for highly competitive play. However, for everyday use and general gaming, it performs quite well. You can also program macros to any key using the Razer Synapse software, adding a layer of customization to your experience. The Ornata V3 X features a sleek, ultra-slim design, weighing around 0.71 kilograms, making it lightweight yet sturdy. Its UV-coated keycaps are built to resist fading and scratches, ensuring long-term durability. The included ergonomic wrist rest is a significant comfort booster, aligning perfectly to support your hands during long sessions. Additionally, clever cable routing options help keep your desk tidy and clutter-free. So, is the Razer Ornata V3 X worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're seeking a budget-friendly gaming keyboard. It's an excellent choice for casual gamers, students, or anyone setting up a home office. While its RGB lighting is single-zone, offering 16.8 million colors, it still adds a vibrant touch. This keyboard delivers a comfortable, quiet, and durable experience, providing that premium Razer feel without the typical mechanical keyboard price tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.